walked in with nothing but questions, heavy silence on my chest. Every prayer felt like it vanished into emptiness. Then something shifted in the room, like heaven broke in two. Silence split open when you walked in. Every broken moment started breathing again. Who just entered the Lord? What just changed everything?
The fear that held me captive lost its voice and ran away. Now I hear what I couldn't hear before. You were speaking all the way.
Then something shifted in the room, like heaven broke into. Silence split open when you walked in. Every broken moment started breathing again. Who just entered there? What just changed break the silence, break the night, speak again, bring the light. Break the silence, break the night, speak again, bring the Bring the light! Bring the light! Spontaneous